Kay sakit akong kamot guys, may samad.
Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Good morning everyone. Good morning guys. Today is Thursday and we just wake up and it's 7 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna start our day with a smile. So thank you everyone. Thank you to my channel members and new channel members. Thank you very much. It's a little bit today, it's a little bit cloudy. It's cloudy, no sun. So we're gonna go down guys. We're gonna take our coffee. We make coffee. So we have our coffee here. Ta-da! Ikaw van jou. It's good. So, mga langga. My eyes is still like swollen. I don't know why. I did not cry or no. So now we just lay down here for a while and then later we're gonna start our day. I don't feel good when don't have no sun. No sun. I feel like I don't want to move. I don't want to do something in the house with if no sun. If it's not sunny, I feel like also. So I think it will be said that it will be warmer today, right? So see you in a bit. I will just drink my coffee and then we start our day. Welcome back, mga langga. Welcome back to my channel. Ayan. Time check is alas 12:40 sa kaudtuhon, mga langga. So, we did finish our Bigo Live. Finish eating. Finish washing, and now we're going to go to the garden. We'll go to the garden to clean like yesterday, but I will not go live. I will just vlog because it's better to vlog than to live. It's better. I can edit it. So we're gonna go there. Although it's not true I finished washing, I did not. Wow, we're gonna go there in. Oh, we need some socks. So, we're gonna go there. Wait, Evelyn, here is our gun. But you know guys, I have pain. Look, in the middle of my hand here, it's pain. So I don't know if we can do that for longer time, because iring nagtikaskas. Ang atong sibuyas, inagko na po, pero murag, ang spinaci. It is a little bit dangerous. Look. So you're gonna go there. So, magtaod sa ta sa atong mahiwagang kuan sa atong kamot. Oh. Kay sakit akong kamot guys, may samad. So we're gonna go there and try. Oh, balikog. Day. Atong gate kay guba. Gubaan mo. Tanaw na to, wala ba yung mga silingan diri? Kaya diri po sila magtapok, no? Aha. Oh, very good. Nice. Di mau. That's why it was very. So they were, look at that kalabasa. Oh, very big na, oh. Look. Oh la. Very big. And this is not only 2, but 10, I think. So the mowing this piece. So I will gonna show you our mais. The mais, guys, is big na. Yay! Look at that. Look at that, darling. Look at that. It's long. Very good. It's tak. So this is, you know, yesterday. Look at the tomatoes, oh. From the neighborhood. And then our chili is growing. And then yesterday I was cleaning, right? So this is I done yesterday. No, it's clean. It's clean. It's clean. So I will continue cleaning today. This is the talong. 2 pieces of talong and this strawberry, but the strawberry is not giving fruits. It's not good. I will tabon-tabonize that so it will grow 3 strawberries. And this is onion, sibuyas dahon. Seedling siya, manguna siya. Then here is halo na bali. Aha! Nabaliin man siya in. This is a cucumber. So we're gonna kuan this, and this is onions, red onions. So we're gonna start here, mga langga. So start here. Hala, natumban ang carrots. But I have pain. Really. Masakit yung kamay ko, mga langga. Murag, di na di ko makatiwas ng ano. As in, sakit kayo ang akong kuan palad. So, I just did this. There, it's a little bit clean. And here is the kuan. Later, maybe later. And then here. See? There. And here is the kuan. I think I cannot do more because I really have kuan. Maybe I will do a little bit here.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills in